Hello everyone. In the previous videos we have learned how to find out the probability of an event by applying empirical formula and also by applying the classical formula. In this video we are going to learn our odds. What is odds in favor and what is odds in against. What is the meaning of that and how to apply that to find out the probability of an event. See, suppose we have any experiment and the total number of events of that is n. And there is a particular event A, the number of favorable events to A be m. For a particular event A, odds in favor means that is the ratio of the number of events favorable to A is to the number of events not in favor to A. In this case, number of events in favor are m and the total events are n. It means there are n minus m events which are not in favor. So this is known as odds in favor, that is m is to n minus n. We can also understand like this: if we divide both the numbers by n, will it be m upon n is to n minus m upon n? And we know m upon n is the probability of A. And n minus m upon n is the probability of not A, which we call the probability of complement event of A. We represent by PA bar or PA dash. We have already learned it. It means we can say that the odds in favor to any event is the ratio of the number of favorable events to that is to number of non-favorable events. Also we can say that this is the probability of happening of A to the probability of not happening of A. Similarly, odds against. Odds against means that is number of events not in favor to A. Number of events not in favor to A is to number of events in favor. Number of events in favor to A. As we see here, the number of events not in favor is n minus m. And that in favor is m, so we can say it is n minus m is to n. If we divide both by n, can we say it will be n minus m upon n is to m upon n? And this is the probability of not happening of A, that is PA bar. And this is the probability of happening of A, that is PA. It means odds against A is the probability of not happening of A is to probability of happening of A. So these two are the ratios. And in case we are given the odds, we can find out the probability of an event. If we are given the odds for any of the event, then how to find out the probability of that event? Let's learn. Suppose we have been given odds in favor to an event A is P is to Q. Then we can say that the number of events in favor will be some multiple of X and not in favor will be some multiple of Q, because this is the ratio. So we can consider, let the number of events in favor to A be Px. Then number of events not in favor of A will be Qx. What will be the total number of events then? Total number of events is Px plus Qx, or we can say P plus Q into X. X we have taken common. It means we can say that the probability of A is equal to the number of events in favor, that is Px, divided by total number of events, that is P plus Q into X, that is P upon P plus Q, because X and X will cancel. Because this is the ratio, we can also apply these values directly to find out the probability of A. We can write P upon P plus Q, as we are finding that this multiple X is being cancelled. In case we have been given odds against any of the event B, suppose that is A is to B, then can we say that probability of B bar, that is probability not happening of B, will be A upon A plus B, using the same thing, because this is the number not in favor to B and this is the number of events in favor to B. So this is giving us the probability of not happening of B. We can find out probability of happening of B by 1 minus A upon A plus B. Simplifying this, we are getting B upon A plus B. We can also use the sense here that this is the number of events in favor. So we can directly write it here in the numerator and the sum of them in the denominator to find out the probability of B happening. One more thing we are finding here, that odds in favor and odds against are reciprocals of each other. Do we find it or not? Because in case we find the probability of A here, that is P upon P plus Q, is given by odds in favor. Odds against that will be Q is to P. And if we multiply them, that will give us 1. So they are reciprocals of each other. Now we will discuss some of the examples based on the same. The first problem we discuss here is, if PA is 5 by 8, find the odds in favor to A. We have been given here the probability of A is 5 upon 8. It means, can we say that the number of events in favor to A will be some multiple of X? So we can say the number of events in favor to A is 5X. And the total number of events will be 8 into X in that case. Can we say then the number of events not in favor to A will be 8X minus 5X, that is 3X. So can we say odds in favor to A will be equal to the number of events in favor is to number of events not in favor, that will be 5X is to 3X, or we can say 5 is to 3. This is the answer. The next problem is, the odds in favor to A is 2 is to 3 and the odds against B is 3 is to 7. Find the probability of A and B both to happen. What is given here? We have been given odds in favor to A is 2 is to 3. So can we say that the probability of A will be 2 upon 2 plus 3? We can find it directly, as I told you. This will be equal to 2 upon 5. Similarly, we have been given odds against B. That is 3:7. Can we say then the probability of B will be 7 upon 3 plus 7? Oh, that is 7 upon 10. Because these are the events in favor. After finding the probabilities of A and B, we can find out the probability of both A and B. And we know that is represented by PA intersection B. We have already discussed it in the previous videos. And that is equal to PA into PB. Can we say this will be 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 10, or it is 14 upon 50? If we simplify, this will be 7 upon 25. This is the answer to this. The next problem we have is a bag contains 5 red, 6 white and 4 green balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the odds in favor to the ball being white. See, we have been given here the number of red balls is 5. Number of white balls is 6 and number of green balls is 4. We want to find a white ball. So let the event of getting a white ball be A. Then what is the number of events favorable to A? Number of favorable events to A will be 6, as there are only 6 white balls. And if we are not getting a white ball, then either it will be a green ball or it will be a red ball. It means the number of events not in favor, number of events not in favor to A will be getting a red ball or a green ball, that is 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So can we say odds in favor to A will be 6:9. That is 2:3. This is the answer to the problem. So we have understood about the odds in favor and odds against a particular event. We will be discussing some more problems on the same in the coming videos when we learn about some more approaches to the probability. In the next video, we will be learning about the axiomatic approach to the probability. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.